Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Midjourney for beginners. Let's get started. First, open the Midjourney and access it through the Discord. Here, join the Midjourney server and go to the newbies channel. You can type the command like imagine prompt and describe the image that you want, and the Midjourney will generate an AI images based on your prompt. You can click the U to upscale or V to create variations. Once you get the image you like, download it to your device. And to make money, you can sell it the art on Etsy or create a print on demand products. You can also offer a design services, and that's it. That's how you use a Midjourney and start creating and making money with art. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.